Alright guys, so here is Black Goji Berries. So I'm in Vancouver right now, and my dad actually got some of these Black Goji Berries. Apparently he says they're rare and they are very useful. They're like the red ones, but they're black, and one grows in one region. And then these are um, noble dendrums, and basically they're like a tonic. Think of it like a tonic, but traditionally Asian people use this like goji berries and stuff into soups, and that is what I have here. It's a soup, and yeah, I'm gonna drink it up, and I'll let you know what it tastes like right now. Actually, um, it tastes like a regular. Tastes like regular goji berries. I didn't notice a difference too much, but it does give it a darker color to it. Other than that, yeah, it's pretty neat. If you have any questions, comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel.